This is what I made today. I made banana. It is kind of cooled off because I had to do something, but I like cool ones, so I'm fine. Made banana, and then I'm gonna eat some vegetables that have been keeping in the house. So I made them today with banana. I am starving for today, for real. And I'll get some very nice veggies. That is Ntula and Cabbage. Ntula is my favorite, but you know, these are rough veggies too. So yeah, on it. Getting in shape requires eating right too. And some days my veggies show up. There is garlic in them, you can see. Yep, that's what's up. Bon appetit. Now this is what healthy looks like. I think, because I like Ntula, and I've not had any of those in a while. So we're gonna eat my food. Looks gorgeous. Yum, yum, yum. I put very little salt. I'm a light salt eater by now. This is magnific. And I made it. I can feel the pepper. It is hot. I didn't believe it works, but it does. This is a very light meal. It doesn't turn off heavy in the tummy. And that's what I was going for today. Since I'm eating late. Okay, I'll finish the rest and let you know.